Hello children, today let's create a crafty sun shining in the sky. For this, we need few things like some colored papers, orange and yellow, scissors, glue and something circular for tracing and pencil eraser and sharpeners. So let's start. First of all, we will create a circle in the middle of our sheet. We can do it freehand or we can trace it using some bangle or cap of a bottle or a bowl, something. Similarly, we will just trace same on the yellow paper that we have. Now, next step, we just need to cut stripes from yellow and orange paper that we have. Now here, using a scale, we can do measurement of 1 centimeter. Both the sides we can draw the line and then cut, or if you are confident, you can do that randomly cutting also. So we just need 8 from both the paper. So if this is the longer side, we will just use this side of the A4 paper. I'm just cutting it straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will also cut out the circle that we have drawn. Very carefully we will cut it out. So we'll keep it aside, all the stripes, yellow stripes and the circle. Now we will do same in orange sheet also. So children, we can just do the markings also and then we can cut it for it to be easier. So we can always do like this. We can just create the lines first and we can then cut afterwards. Or if you are confident that you can cut it directly, you can cut it directly also. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can easily cut it using the scissors. Remaining sheet we can keep aside to be used afterwards in another activity. So here we have 8 orange stripes as well. I'm keeping them aside also. Now in this, just in the background, we will do some drawing of sky and birds. So I'm using a blue crayons to create some clouds in the background and I will just do circular scribbling in that. I'll not color it fully. Okay, I think this much is enough. We can also make some birds flying. Now let's start. So we will take this circle that we have drawn. We'll just apply some glue in the middle. Just in the middle, not all over. And we will stick that on the traced part on the paper. We'll press it hard in the middle. We'll press it firmly. Now next, we'll just create a loop like this using these yellow papers. So I'll just apply a little drop of glue only, because we don't need much glue for sticking paper. Just little drop and it will stick. So we'll just create all the loops. We just need to hold it for a few seconds. We can also keep something on that so that it sticks, maybe a pen or something heavy. I'm just using a, just by pressing for some time it sticks. So one, the less glue we apply, it will stick faster. If you apply just little glue, it sticks very fast. And we don't need to press it everywhere. We will just press here where we are applying the glue. So we have 2, 3, 4. Let's keep aside. Now we can stick this. So if I'm just both the sides little glue I'll apply, and I'll just insert this inside. So this is 1. All of them will do the same, and we can stick it here just opposite of the first one. Now third we will stick here. So it's like a plus sign we will create first. Now in the middle of all these we will just add one more. Now in the remaining spaces we will do same with orange. So first we need to create the loops like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's stick it in the same way in the remaining spaces, both the sides. I'm applying glue, and then we have to stick it like this. We can just press firmly like this so that it sticks properly. Next I have added 2 googly eyes, and I have added a smiley. If you don't have googly eyes, you can just do that using a marker. In the remaining spaces I'll add some more clouds and some more birds too. So here our shiny sun craft is ready. I hope you have enjoyed doing this crafty sun with me. We will connect again with some more art and craft activities. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.